Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn your flashlight on or off on a Samsung phone, plus how to add it if you can't find it. The easiest way is to swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Here, you should see the flashlight icon. Just tap on it to turn it on or off. You can also press and hold the flashlight icon to adjust the brightness level, which is a really useful feature. If you don't see the flashlight option here, don't worry. Swipe down again to expand the panel, then tap on the edit or pencil icon. From here, look for the flashlight option. If it's not in your quick settings, scroll through the available options, find it, and tap on it. Then simply drag it to the top so it's easy to access anytime. And that's it. Now you can quickly use your flashlight whenever you need it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.